Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 of I don't know how many part series of a tiny house park model that we're trying to build on an RV trailer. So in this video, we're going to talk about getting the sides on and then getting the property, the building, the structure weather tight. Let's get after it. New to this channel, my name is Michael Patterson. My family and I are trying to build a campground on 113 acres here in Sanford, Maine. If you want to learn everything there is to know about trying to build a campground in Sanford, Maine, or in Maine in general, click subscribe, tap the bell so that you'll be the first to know when we post another video. Okay guys, the progress has been good over the last 2 weeks, not going quite as fast as I'd like, but I got all of the stud work done, all the scribing done. And I've got most of the walls on. What you're looking at is actually the interior walls. I decided to leave the tongue and groove on the outside. I wanted to keep it pretty plain on the inside to enhance the accent of this, of the round logs and stuff. I really love that look. So on the outside, I put the tongue and groove, and I'm gonna cover all of this with siding. House wrap first, flash the windows, put the windows in, flash over. So thanks to YouTube for showing me all of that. I added some stained glass windows. I think those are going to be pretty sharp. And I got some transom windows that are going in there so that there'll be, this is a loft. Yep, you'll see right up there. It's a good sized loft. This is a bathroom, decent sized bathroom for, you know, about 33 length, 35 with the tongue. So you can see I got a stained glass window right there as well. Looking pretty good. So again, if you watch my other videos, you know that what's taking me so long was really all the scribing and you know, a lot of unique cuts and trying to get these really weird logs in here and stuff like that. And I'm really happy with the way it came out. I used an adze, which is like an axe, and I made all my floor joists like that. This makes them a lot stronger, and I scribed things in where I could. Like I said, I'm going back to the Heartwood school to try to make some of my scribing a little bit better. I'm not quite happy with it. I wish I had tighter joints, but hey, I'm learning, and that's what it's all about. So next, what we're gonna do is, I got a little bit more work right up here to finish putting the, really the interior walls from the outside on. And then my daughter Margaret and I are going to house wrap the whole thing. So let's get after it. Okay, today we put some of the wrap on because we finished putting on all the doors. I added, did I already mention that? I put the stained glass windows up there. Thought that was a nice touch. And what we've also done is we've started putting the flash on for the windows. We're using a zip system. So still have this as a slide out. It's huge, about I don't know, 12 feet wide. I've got to figure out how to engineer all of that, but the wrap is going on very quickly, very easy, and we should be ready to start siding it very soon. I do have to take those classes in New Hampshire at the Heartwood School on bubble scribing and the Grindelbig Norwegian style timber framing. So that's going to slow me down a little bit. So, but that's all right. I'll update you guys with the information that I have, and that's contributing to the tiny house construction. All right, let's get some more work done. All right, we're gonna flash the windows. Okay. We're using zip strip stretch tape on the corners. Yeah, perfect, Margaret. Yeah, awesome. Yep. And very importantly, Margaret,
Gotta roll it out.
gotta roll it out. Nice job. Cool. Gonna try and put some windows in today. You can see that we've started putting the windows in. We need to finish flashing them. I got a large transom up there that still needs to go in, but it's a little bit too heavy. My daughter and I found when we put it in up here. Definitely really love the way that's looking. The whole setup's looking great. I found this Pella window. Looks fantastic. I'm gonna put some stained glass in front of that. And you know, you can tell my windows are all different manufacturers, but I don't care. And because I'm learning on this project. So I got the windows in, and I got another, I don't know, this one might be a Harvey or something over here. I put it in sideways so that it would crank out the way the one does on this side. So really excited about the way it's coming out. I'm gonna take off for a week and go to Hartwood School and learn how to do some double bubble scribing. But so far so good.